Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a sequence on HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the automation section, then select Sequences. From there, you'll click the Create Sequence button. You can either choose from a pre-built template or start with a blank sequence to customize it fully. Remember to give your sequence a clear, descriptive name and an internal description so you can easily identify its purpose later. Once your sequence is named, it's time to add steps. You can include automated emails, which are great for nurturing leads, or create tasks for your sales team, like making a phone call. When crafting your emails, always personalize them using contact tokens to make each message feel unique and relevant to the recipient. Don't forget to set appropriate delays between each step, usually 1 to 3 days, to avoid overwhelming your contacts. Now that your sequence is built, you can enroll contacts. You have the flexibility to add contacts individually or in bulk from a saved list. For even greater efficiency, set up enrollment criteria to automatically add contacts to your sequence when they meet specific conditions. After your sequence is active, regularly review its performance using HubSpot's built-in analytics to see what's working and where you can make improvements. To truly maximize your sequence's effectiveness, consider /B testing different email subject lines and content variations. This helps you understand what resonates best with your audience and drives higher engagement. Continuously refine your sequence based on the performance data and any feedback you receive. Remember, small adjustments can lead to significant improvements over time. Also, for those looking to enhance their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.